Welcome to Rock Crawling Uncut by That Jeep Adventure, a series where I bring you raw, uncensored, uncut wheeling action straight from the trail. Everybody loves to see the highlight reel, but avid wheelers enjoy seeing the struggles and fails that we all encounter on the trail. Check out this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Coming on up. There you go. There you go. There you go, right there.
Camera just doesn't do that part.
Right there. My camera? Basically, like
yeah.
No. Right there. Then I'll have you turn around there. Alright, back up. All it takes is for that switch to unload.
Stay up there, little tire. I feel like that'd be a bad place to slide, man.
Alright. There you go. Stay driver. Driver. Hey, I tell you what, back up just a hair. Right, right there. Alright, now come forward. Now you'll be able to turn into it instead of trying to light line. Driver, just stay driver. Driver. Alright, come on. Come on over for the four. Stay driving.
Hey, Mama, did I look good?